In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly copy tabs across Google Sheets. This is a fantastic skill to have in your toolkit, especially when you're working with multiple spreadsheets and need to move data accurately and efficiently from one place to another. Now, let's dive right in. Imagine you have this situation. You want to copy a specific tab, let's call it the Sample Data tab, from your Google Sheet named Sample Sheet, and you need to transfer it to another Google Sheet called Table. This process is remarkably simple and easy to follow. First, open your Google Sheet, Sample Sheet, where your desired tab, Sample Data, is located. Navigate through the sheets at the bottom of your screen until you find the tab you wish to duplicate. Once you've located your target tab, hover over its name, and with a right click, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll notice there's an option that says Copy to. Go ahead and select that option. Following this, you'll see two choices presented to you: New Spreadsheet or Existing Spreadsheet. Since we're transferring this tab to another pre-existing Google Sheet named Table, you want to click on Existing Spreadsheet. Once you've selected this, a box will pop up on your screen. This box will display all the Google Sheets that you have stored in your Google Drive. It's a handy feature because it lists everything in one place, making it easy to search for the specific sheet you have in mind. Now, within this box, you'll find a search bar at the top. Type in the name of the Google Sheet you want to copy your tab into. In this example, the spreadsheet is called Table. Once you've entered the name, your target sheet should appear in the selection. Click on the Table option as soon as it pops up. After you've selected the correct spreadsheet, you're almost at the finish line. Press the Insert button, and just like that, your Sample Data tab is copied over to Table. And there you have it. You've successfully copied your tab from one Google Sheet to another. This method not only keeps your data easy to manage, but also ensures that you don't lose any important information in the shuffle. Remember, mastering these small but essential tasks can save you a lot of time and hassle. By following these simple steps, you'll become more efficient at organizing and sharing your data within Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips and tricks.